Alright, I'm John. I'm gonna show you a bike check. Alright, so I got nylon tires. They're pretty good except for the inner tube. Got a back nylon tire. Again, not the best inner tube. I already popped my tire. Sucks because they're idiotic. And then I got stock forks. I guess they're pretty good. I don't really know. I got suckish bars because they move when you go 2 feet in the air. I got shrapnel fragment grips. They're okay. Nah, I don't really like them. They're the second thing they're hard right next to a rock. I got pretty good bar ends. Those are okay. Those have lasted me a couple of years. This grip, I'm just gonna I hate that grip so much. It's a pretty good frame, I guess. I don't really know. Okay, frame. My cranks, hate them really bad. I hate one-piece cranks. They suck. My chain doesn't tighten because it's a jerk. And it's not the greasiest thing in the world. That's kind of bad. Sprocket doesn't. Oh my God! I'm gonna grease my chain when I'm done with. These, whenever I'm riding, they make weird noises. For some reason, dude, shut up. Oh, that's why they make weird noises. All right, I'm gonna fix that later. Oh God, no. All right. These taps, I hate them. They're called nipples. I don't care. I got a pivotal seat right there. I got it pivoted back kind of a long way. I ride brakeless because it's a lot easier. And that's pretty much it. Thanks. Rate, comment, and subscribe.